These students had their own system for cheating on exams. Left arm up meant A, right arm up meant B. The weaker students just had to copy the smart ones to get every answer right. It worked until the teacher started noticing. The top students switched tactics. Now, shaking a leg meant A, spinning a pen meant B. Before long, the teacher caught on again, so they changed their code once more. A tilt of the head left for A, right for B. Their creativity was almost impressive, and they hid their cheating perfectly. Everyone thought they'd ace the test, but the teacher suddenly blasted a loud, harsh noise to mess with their rhythm. It couldn't last long, since it distracted everyone else too. Once the noise stopped, they picked up right where they left off. This time, they used fart sounds to signal answers, but then it all fell apart. One student tried too hard, and actually soiled his pants. He ran out to the bathroom, and without their leader, no one else knew what to do. In the end, not a single person in the class passed. This story teaches us one thing: always study hard, don't cheat, or you'll regret it for sure.